Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kyle. I'm the sales specialist right here at Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson outside of Harrisburg, PA. Today we're looking at a 2018 Street Glide. Starting off, of course, the motor. 107 Milwaukee-8 motor hooked up, of course, a 6-speed transmission. It is breathing through some Mutazu Slip-On Mufflers. It does have some 4-point docking hardware. It is a Rushmore bike, so it does have your easy open bags. It can be accessed from either off or on the bike itself. As we come over here to the front of the motorcycle, it is equipped with a full-out chromed front end with some upgraded braided steel cables. Nice touch. As we move back to the seating position of the bike, see, 2-up seating with the streamliner collection for the passenger, floorboards, brake pedal, highway pegs, and your grips. As far as your infotainment is concerned, it is hooked up with, again, with the Rushmore package, the 6.5 boom, navigation, Bluetooth, touchscreen, everything built in. And of course, to top it all off, we do have some 12-inch meat hook bars with a 10-inch windshield. If this is something that you'd be interested in, come on down, take it for a spin, again, ask for Kyle, and we will get you riding.